Today I'm going to show you a lab results notification assistant that's HIPAA conscious and built through Telnyx Voice AI. First, a patient will call, their identity will get verified by the assistant, and the assistant will then provide a short approved summary of their lab results. Then, the patient will receive a secure portal link so they can view the full report on their own. The assistant is programmed to only give the minimum necessary results summary, so it doesn't diagnose or interpret beyond the provider's note. I'm going to show you a test call. This dashboard here shows the healthcare provider's view of the HIPAA-aware lab results notification flow. Let's try this out.
This is the Telnyx Health Lab Results line. For privacy, please say your full legal name.
Jordan Lee.
Thank you. What is your date of birth?
March 15th, 1990.
What is your medical record number?
2345678.
Thank you. I verified your identity. Your cholesterol panel from March 10th is back. Total cholesterol was 185, which is in the normal range. Your provider note says no follow-up is needed. I can also text you a secure portal link with the full report. Would you like that?
Yeah, that would be great. Thank you.
I sent the secure portal link to the mobile number from this call. The text does not include lab values.
Okay, thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too. As you can see, the assistant only has this limited information, but it is able to send me the secure portal link so I can view the results for myself. If you want to try this out for yourself, you can go to this code sample repo here and clone it and add your Telnyx API key. Thanks for watching.